Welcome to my tutorial on how to use a iOS OTA downgrader. First, you would want to find a link in the documentation. Where is it? Yeah, there. Download iOS OTA downgrader. Click it or open new tab and download the zip file. The latest zip file for Linux. This works on Mac OS and Windows as well. The zip should be the same, but it's recommended to use it on either Linux or Mac OS because Windows is very buggy for this thing. Extract the archive to your desktop or wherever you are comfortable with using. To the desktop. Okay, let's go to the desktop and open terminal. You want to open terminal, press Ctrl Alt T or open in terminal. Okay, now drag restore.sh into the terminal window and press enter. And press enter. Press 1. Now depending on your iOS device you might get different options, but for me it's iOS 8.4.1, so I'm going to enter 1. As you can see, the device has booted into the iOS 8.4.1 setup screen. Thank you for watching and I hope this video has been very useful to you.